So you have questions about these home buying grants that you keep hearing everyone talk about. Hey, what's going on, folks? My name is Sherman Milton III. I'm a local real estate advisor here in the Tampa Bay market. I'm here to educate you on all things real estate. So there's a lot of things going around about these home buyer grants that certain banks and institutions are offering. What are the pros? What are the cons? What are the ins and the outs of these programs? Do I have to pay back the money? Those are all really, really good questions to have. And let's talk about one of the ones that I'm very familiar with. So let's talk about Chase Bank. So Chase Bank, I work with them quite often with one of my organizations, and they have what's called the Chase Dream Makers Grant. And I actually have it pulled up right here. And it's actually that money, it's going to vary, right? It's going to vary depending on where the house is located. And some areas may get more money than others. And I'm here at a house right now for actually my open house. I just plugged in the address and it qualifies for the $5,000 Chase Home Buyer Grant. So a couple things about this grant that I'm reading right now. A, the grant does not have to be repaid. B, the person who's taking advantage of the grant does not have to be a first-time home buyer. And the third key point that it points out is that there are no income limits subject to product requirements. So what does that mean? So that means if you're going to buy this house, you can go through the Chase Grant Home Buying Grant Program and you can get up to the $5,000 to help you purchase that home. Now, there are some disclaimers and there are a couple different things that I always tell my folks, hey, make sure you read the fine print about all these grant programs because they're not all created equally. Now, one thing I do like about the Chase Grant Program, here in our market, here in the Tampa Bay market, we have CRA dollars. So we have certain areas in town where they qualify for additional down payment money. And so what's good about that is that some of them actually allow you to stack or quote unquote layer the money. So what that means is that you can take Chase's $5,000 and you can take some of the other grants, whether it's the city, the county, or some of the organizations that they have, and you can combine all that money together. Now, certain grants have requirements or have rules on how you can actually use that money. So some will allow you to put that towards your down payment. Some will allow you to put down towards your closing costs. Some is like, hey, we're going to help you buy down that interest rate. It all is different. And so that's why it's very important to get looped in with a loan officer, right, that actually focuses and works on those grant programs. Because guess what? Not all loan officers are created equally. Some don't mind working with the grants. Some don't want to work with the grants because there are additional paperworks and documentation that you have to get done. I'm going to drop who I use at Chase in the DM or in the description below, just so you can reach out to her and she can answer any questions that you all have. And that's just one of the programs that Chase's offers. Here in my market, there's tons and tons and tons of great products that they offer. So that's all I have for you all. Just my real estate tip. Sherman Milton III, aka Realtor Sherm, all things real estate. Until next time, I'm out. Peace.